Fukubukuro. Fukubukuro. This Fukubukuro or lucky bag is a much anticipated New Year custom in Japan. This mystery shopping event is a special treat where grab bags said to be filled with luck can be purchased at an amazing value. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are finally back in my corner. I missed this corner. It's been a while. I mean, I've been up and about in different parts of my home and I'm so glad that I'm back. Guys, I put on the Pantone color of the year, periwinkle blue. Got my nails on, similar to periwinkle blue. And I'm ready for this lucky bag. The Tatcha Fukubukuro lucky bag. Here's my package. I went all out with Tatcha. I've never tried Tatcha skincare before, and for the plain reason that I can't afford it. It's a very expensive brand, and I was waiting for this moment where she had a really good deal so that I can finally purchase some of her skincare products. And guys, I went all out. There's the box. I've opened it. Got this package in the mail yesterday evening and I tore it apart. If you guys don't know, Tatcha is a luxury brand, luxury skincare, and it's available at Sephora. And a lot of people love Tatcha, and it's not because it's expensive, but it's because it's high quality beauty and skincare. From packaging all the way to the formula, it's one of the best. I've been drooling over Tatcha, and finally they have this deal, the Tatcha Lucky Bag, which happens every January of each year. And basically it's to honor a tradition in Japan where a lot of retail stores sell products that are double or almost double the value of what the bag's retail value is. So for example, if the bag was $35, you would see $70 worth of products in that bag. I told myself that if I were ever going to travel to Japan, I want to go during the Fukubukuro season, which is January. Yes, guys. FYI, Sephora Hawaii has like a Fukubukuro bag, and they participate in this event, and they had like $50, $75, and $100 Fukubukuro bags. I think it's so worth it when it comes to Sephora because you get such a variety. Anyways, you're here for the Tatcha bag. The deal is if you spend $100, you get an additional $100 worth of products. If you spend $200, you will get a mystery bag worth $200 worth of products. So I went all out and did the $200 worth of skincare. And it's not that hard really because Tatcha skincare is so expensive. And I wanted to try their whole skincare line from cleansers all the way to moisturizers. Tried my best to buy travel size products, but even travel size products are so expensive. So let's go ahead and get into this bag. When you get this bag, we've got a note from Tatcha. It has pretty much your receipt, and I don't know what else was here. Oh, it's got some information about the water cream. For every water cream purchase that you buy, they support students around the world through their Beautiful Faces, Beautiful Futures program. So I'm curious what that's all about. I love that Tatcha gives back to the community, to the world. Let's just open up the Tatcha water cream. It's a pretty popular cream. I mean, a lot of people love this. Whether you have oily skin or dry skin, a lot of people love this cream because it's very hydrating, refreshing, and it just absorbs nicely into the skin. I was able to get a sample size, or more like literally this tiny before, and from what I can remember, I really like the water cream. So I finally bought the full size, and I can't remember the pricing. I'll try to put the pricing here on the screen somewhere. But look at how fancy this is. Like, I don't even know where everything comes out. You pull it out like so. There it is, guys. Everything in here, packaging is just so luxe. Look at this. Beautiful. And it has a little spatula here to kind of scoop the product so you don't actually put like dirty hands into the cream. But this is a moisturizer, and I go through moisturizers like crazy. If there's one thing I cannot skip in my skincare routine, it's definitely the moisturizer. And now I finally have it. Tatcha's water cream. On top, guys, the lucky bag. If you spent $100, this lucky bag would be purple. If you spend $200, you get the green one, kind of like a light green one, like mine. I've got all the good vibes going. I'll let you know at the end of this video whether the bag that I got was actually lucky. Okay, the other item that I purchased was, of course, the cleanser, and I only got a travel size cleanser, but look at this, guys. What? Super nice. Packaging is on point. This is the Rice Wash Soft Cream Cleanser. This cleanser is for normal to dry skin, but since it's the winter time, I figured it would be best to hydrate. You know, I have combo skin during the winter time, so I thought I would really enjoy this. I just saw something in here, guys. There's like writing in the box as well. Isn't that cool? So it says, enduring beauty and culmination of the wisdom of centuries. This product journeyed to you across the numerous generations and vast distances, reminding us that science can only echo what nature illuminated long time ago. That makes sense. Like, a lot of Tatcha's ingredients are very pure. I'm not sure if they are all natural or all 100% vegan. They really try to use ingredients that's available in nature, I feel like, and they try to magnify that and turn it into skincare, like rice, right? Something that you would harvest in the ground, but it is definitely very good for skincare. Next item, guys. I'm afraid to drop it. Okay, let's start with the essence. I don't use a lot of essence, but this essence is supposed to be very good at helping all of the serums absorb more quickly and deeper into the skin. So this kind of opens up your pores and gets your face ready for all the serums that is going into your skin. It's a plumping skin softener that improves skin texture and helps amplify the performance of all skincare. Full-size bottle of this is around $98. Now, I could not get myself to pay for that, but I did get the travel size, which is half the size of the full size, and it's big enough, guys. I mean, look at that, and look at the packaging. So you open it up like this, and then you turn it over. Maybe you open up on the other side. There's the product. I spent like 15 minutes last night just staring at this bottle. Not just this bottle, but all of the packaging from Tatcha. It's glass, guys. I hope I don't ever drop this because I'm so clumsy. Oh, why do I want to smell it? I think even as a travel size, this essence costs like $40 to $50. So it is pricey, and it better transform my face into something. Definitely watch out for a future video. 100% Tatcha skincare, and let you guys know what I think maybe after using it for a couple of months. Here's another one. This is the newest product that they have right now. It's a texture tonic. So texture tonic, I think it has some AHAs. Yeah, fruit AHAs. As you guys know, I have acne prone skin. I've got scarring that is so hard to clear up. That's one of my motivations with investing in my skin. Make sure that I maintain a good skincare routine, because if I don't, I get acne. So this is a resurfacing treatment, remove dark spots, and just to bring out that brighter, lighter skin. So I cannot wait to use this. It opens the same way, just like that. And here it is, guys. This texture tonic is so new that they don't even have a sample size product yet, but they will come out with it soon. Again, glass. Let's compare the full size bottle to a sample size bottle. This is what they look like. This is 75 ml. This is 150 ml. This was pricey as well. Full size, I believe, was around the $60 range. So this better work. I need this to work. I'm so broke because of Tatcha skincare, but I feel like it's worth it. It's worth the investment on my face. So all 4 of those items, the water cream, the texture tonic, the essence, and the cleanser, all of those together added, I think I spent $203 plus tax. It amounted to $225. So I spent $225. Did I get my money's worth with this lucky bag? Let's put this box down right here. So pretty. So pretty. There's K-Beauty, and I feel like J-Beauty is a step up. But am I lucky this year? So I'm gonna open it up, and it comes nicely wrapped in this purple tissue paper, which is the classic colors of Tatcha. Of course, I opened this already. Okay, this is a surprise for you, but not for me. So this lucky bag is supposed to contain $200 worth of products to match the $200 purchase that I made. So hopefully I don't get any repeats, right? Like, I don't want to get the same item that I purchased already. But the first thing is the Tatcha silk canvas. Okay, guys. Of course, I opened it on the wrong side, but it comes like this. It has that ribbon that you pull up, but the silk canvas is right here. Wow. Okay, I'm not gonna open it. Everybody and their mama knows what this is. It's a pore filling primer, and look how fancy this is. You get this little coin that has a line that tells you how much to scoop up and put on your face. This is full size product, and I believe it's like $52. I actually have the sample size, or like the deluxe size, and guys, I've had this for like 6 months. Granted, I have a lot of makeup and skincare and all that stuff, but I'm not even finished with this tiny one. Like, if you purchase this, this will last you for the rest of your life. But I love this when I have dry skin. This is like my pore filling primer for dryness. Good ingredients, doesn't break you out. I have it on actually, and I'm pretty much flawless in here, guys. And in this lucky bag, I have the lucky bag information, like stuff that you got in the bag, and talks about it. All right, let's talk about another common product that a lot of people love, the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Okay, I am going to give this to a friend because I know she has super dry skin, and this is just a sample size, guys, like your setting spray or spray that you could use before or under your makeup. But I think for my oily combination skin, this isn't gonna work. Super cute. Like, I want to keep it just for packaging, but I don't want to waste the product. So the other items here I've never tried. Not a lot of people talk about it, so I'm so excited. First one is the Violet C Brightening Serum. Now, I gotta say, vitamin C is an ingredient that is kind of finicky for me. Sometimes it breaks me out, but I'm hoping that this serum, vitamin C serum, is gonna work really well with my skin. You never know, you know? This is 10 ml. The full size is around 30 ml. Let's open it up. Let's see the pump. So it's like a pump, but wow. I really love how this packaging looks. Cannot wait to try it. Next item that I got is another travel size from Tatcha, the liquid silk canvas. Now, I'm not excited about this because I have the solid one and the liquid. Like, what do I need a liquid for, right? Let's see what the difference is, other than the fact that one is solid and one is liquid. The liquid silk canvas is a featherweight liquid silk primer that extends makeup wear while keeping it out of the skin. So I'm guessing this is a lighter version, maybe even a dewier version than this Tatcha. So I'll update you guys if this is great for my skin type. And another 10 grams, which is, I think the normal size would be, is it 30 grams or 50? I'll put it up here on the screen and let you guys know how much. the silk cream. I actually was debating between the silk cream or the water cream. I know this one was recommended for oily combo skin, and this one is for normal to dry skin. So this is what it looks like right there. Look at the packaging, so pretty. And again, this is a travel size. The silk cream is a weightless gel cream of hydrating silk and hadassah trio of superfoods. I love that it's a gel cream, so it's not like a full-on cream but gel, so I'm guessing it's a little bit lighter. I love to bring these super hydrating products for travel because that's when my skin gets extra dry, so I'm gonna save that for my next vacation. And then another full size, guys. This is a serum stick. A concentrated serum of 80% squalene and Japanese lemon balm that targets signs of aging and dryness over time. And it looks like that. When I watched a video on this, you can put it on fine lines. So like your crow's feet, on your forehead. Oh my gosh. It's like craters in here on my forehead, guys. On your smile lines. This is, I think, around $48, like in the $40 range. Full size, 8 grams. And oh my gosh, it's a beauty. I love that it's angled like that. I feel like when you have an angled applicator like that, it hugs the parts of your face way better. So that is everything in my Tatcha lucky bag. What do you guys think? Was I lucky this year? Do you feel like I got a really good bag? The total price for this lucky bag is $202, and I spent $225 including tax. Shipping is free, by the way, if you guys want to get your own lucky bag. I would say this is one of the lower ends of the lucky bag, but I feel like now I have like the full range of Tatcha skincare that I can work with. I'm excited for the vitamin C and also the serum stick, and then of course the moisturizer. So now I'm gonna know which moisturizer I'm gonna like better. That is it, guys. Comment down below, what is your favorite item from Tatcha? What are your holy grails from Tatcha if you do use that skincare line? What do you think of my lucky bag? You think it was worth it? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, as well as some unboxings here and there. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye!